We're doing the GAPS diet again, so here is stage 1 GAPS. I have some soup with chicken stock and then some chicken and some fermented brine. Yum. Here's our lunch soup. It's got sausage and carrots and so many yummy things in it. And here is my fermented pickle juice. How's your first day of soup going, Becky? Have you tried it yet? Look, we've got some fermented pickle stuff here too that you love that.
Can she drink all of my fermented pickle stuff?
No.
Do you not like it?
It's my kid's snack, some raw milk kefir with honey. Alright, Becky. You have to eat your soup too though, okay?
No, I don't want my soup. I eat it like this.
You like it?
I like eating it like this.
Kefir with honey. Kids are having a snack of some ketchup and some meat. I realize ketchup is not GAPS stage 1, but I need to get some mustard.
This is chicken. This is chicken, right?
Yeah, chicken. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did you say meat?
It's meat. Chicken is meat.
Oh.
And then we just, I guess, gave the kids their Epsom salt bath, and they just got out. I need to do one later.
We're gonna do a vinegar bath too. I really want to do the vinegar bath.
Yeah, we will. I am really tired because I haven't had a lot of carbs. So my body is going into ketosis, which is normal on the GAPS diet. It wasn't as hard day 1 as I thought it would be. We still have dinner to go. So far, the only one who's complained the most was my husband, which I didn't think that would happen. Becky and Ruben are 3 and 5. My brain is really slow from the lack of carbs. And they've actually been doing really well. There's been a few ickies, I don't want this. There were a few tears, but we get that anyway. With regular food, they don't like it, they cry. So I mean, it wasn't more than normal. Everyone's eating their food. I did allow some ketchup, and we're going to have some sauteed beets in ghee, and I made mine in tallow. So I'm doing dairy-free, and the kids are doing the allowed dairies on the GAPS diet. The only thing is my husband refused to drink any of the fermented brine, so I might have to find him a different fermented allowed food. He might do well with pickle juice. I wonder if he likes pickles. This is going to be a journey. I hope I can capture as much as I can. Hopefully a journey of healing. A gut healing journey. For all of us. We all need it. We all have gut problems. I think mine are the worst. My husband's are pretty bad, but he thinks it's normal. Becky and Ruben also have different gut problems, but they're very minor. We eat very healthy, but I want to make sure their guts are healed and sealed so they can go on to be healthy adults. So this is my husband's and the kids' beets sauteed in butter, and it's really delicious if you let the butter caramelize. It tastes like candy. I don't even know how to describe it. When I was doing GAPS previously, I did try to eat the dairy, but since I struggle with constipation, I had to quit. So I sauteed my golden beets in tallow. So no dairy. Yes, dairy. What do you think?
Are you taking my picture or video?
Video. Do you want to try a golden beet?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Golden beet.
You do have some golden ones. See, these lighter ones are golden, but they turned that color because I cooked them with the regular beets. Do you like those ones better? You don't like them? Hey, these are mine. Mine are not cooked in butter, so I can eat them. What do you think, Daddy?
I don't like it.
Well, what do yours taste like? I tried to caramelize yours in butter, so it'd be really good.
I don't like the gray texture, but other than that, it's fine. I feel like that maybe they just had a little bit of dirt left on them. 35.
Mine's really long.
So day 1 is done, I'm getting ready for bed, and it went a lot better than I thought it would. Everyone seemed happy, everyone ate and tried the different foods. I'm pretty sure this is not how the whole week is gonna go, but I'm really glad that we had this great start, and here's till tomorrow. And I know that beets aren't allowed on stage 1, but since I struggle with constipation, I eat them. They don't bother me, they don't bother my kids, so we're allowing beets. And the ketchup was more of an incentive, like here's a normal food that you're used to eating. Although we did use the Primal Kitchen ketchup, which is completely sugar-free. So when you're changing up your entire diet, it's not going to be like 100% easy. It's gonna be hard. Yeah, here comes my Becky. So I've gotta get the kids into bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.